Iboan. Today our discussion 2017 limits, right? 2017 limits today. Uh, right. What is the question? Let alpha between 0 and pi by 2. Alpha between 0 and pi by 2. Show that limit x goes to, what is that? Alpha. X goes to alpha. Next, x3 minus alpha 3. X power of 3 minus alpha power of 3. Divide tan x minus tan alpha. Tan x minus tan alpha. Right? Now we have prove that 3 alpha square cos square alpha. 3 alpha square cos square alpha. Right? Right. Today, normally here tan, no? Right? Some student using this theory. What is that? Limit theta goes to 0, tan theta divide theta equal 1, right? Some student know that theory, right? They learn, right? That is completely wrong. That theory completely wrong, right? You can't use this theory, right? You can't use this theory, right? You can only this one. Limits theta goes to 0, sin theta divided by theta equal 1. That is correct. That is correct. This one completely wrong, right? You have to use this one only, right? Your new syllabus have only this one, right? And here another theory, you can see this one, alpha cube minus x cube minus alpha cube. Then you can use this one. Limits x goes to a, xn minus an divide x minus a, that is n minus 1. You can use this one also, right? Two theories here, right? Two theories here. You can use these two only. This one is completely wrong, right? Completely wrong. Okay. Now let's try, right? Now you have to this one alpha cube cube minus alpha cube. Then you can this one here, but you have not this one, no? Right? You can add to this one x minus a, right? Up and down you have to add this one, right? Limit x goes to alpha x cube minus alpha cube, right? Then you can use x minus alpha. Other way, here also multiplying x minus alpha. Because of that, that is adding, no? Right? Adding by us, no? Right? Okay, these two theories like this. I'm erase that one because of that I have no space of that, no? Right. Okay. I think you know that two theories, right? Right. What about this one? Tan x. You can write this is sin x divide cos x like that, sin alpha divide cos alpha, right? Right. Okay. Now you can multiply it up and down, cos alpha, cos x cos alpha, right? Cos x cos alpha. You can multiply it. Why? We have to something about sin or something, right? Right. Now, this one, you can separate this one, no? Limit x goes to alpha, you can separate this one, no? What about x cube minus alpha cube, that is x minus alpha, again multiplied limit x goes to alpha, here x minus alpha upside, and you can multiply it up and down both side, cos x cos alpha, no? Here cos x cos alpha, again divide sin x cos alpha minus cos x sin alpha. Now you can see, what about sin a minus b, right? Sin a minus b. What about sin a minus b? Sin a minus b, that is trig, no? Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Then you can use this one here, no? Right? You can use that, right? Now, limit x goes to alpha. Here you can use that theory, no? What about n is 3? N is 3, right? What about previous theory? I erased that one, no? Limit x goes to a, xn minus an divide x minus a n minus 1. That is theory, no? N is 3. N is 3. Here n is 3. A is alpha. 3 alpha square, no? 3 alpha square. 3 alpha square, right? 3 alpha square. That is answer like that, right? Here, what about this one? Limit x goes to alpha, here x minus alpha, divide sin x cos alpha cos x sin alpha. What about sin x minus alpha? Again multiplied limit x goes to alpha cos x cos alpha, here cos x cos alpha. Now you can add alpha for x, no? Right. What about this one? Here 3 alpha square. And what about this one? Cos alpha divide this one, divide, right? 2 of this one, numerator and denominator changing itself, no? Right. Limit x goes to alpha sin x minus alpha divide x minus alpha, right? Some student take this one is 1, right? You can't take this one 1. Why? You have only this theory, no? Limits theta goes to 0, sin theta divided by theta equal 1, right? That one says, what about here x minus alpha, not a theta or x or something, right? This one not going to 0, this one going to alpha, right? Then you can't say that theory, right? you can't use that one, right? That is problem. Some student using this one is one, okay, correct. Using double line, that is correct. Okay, we are doing something, right? We have full marks, 25 marks. We have, okay, like that, right? Uh, some classes says also that one. I can't say that classes. That is completely wrong. Okay, you should know about that. That is completely wrong, right? That one take 5 marks. You can't take that 5 marks from that one. Okay, right. Here again, 3 alpha square cos square alpha divide. What about? You have to say something that one. No, some space here. Let theta equal x minus alpha. If x goes to alpha, then what about? Theta goes to 0. You can take this one. Now here equal 3 alpha square cos square alpha limit theta goes to 0. Here sin theta x minus alpha equal sin theta divide theta. Now you can take that is 1. Okay, then answer 3 alpha cos square alpha, that is the answer, right? Here this one 1. Okay, please minimize this one. Why? You have a very small area, no? You have very small area. Why? That exam have only very this type of area, no? Half of A4, I think. Not a half of A4. That is 3/4 of A4 like that, no? Very small area, okay? Normally 7 line or something, right? That is a small thing, right? Therefore, you can use this here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, here 6 lines. Okay, you should do this one very few, right? I mean lower than 7. Okay, lower than 7 lines, right? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here 7. No, okay, you can minimize than me, right? Okay, I'm expanded. No, why? Some student can't say can't understand, right? Then I'm show every line. Okay, you can minimize of this one. Okay, you should minimize these 2 lines. Okay, right. Another thing, please subscribe. Okay, please subscribe our line. Because of that, I hope to more than 300 past papers questions, right? I'm trying to start in 2014, and after that do every past paper questions. Then you can take the our notification from our subscription, right? Then please subscribe today itself, right? Okay, we will meet again. Okay, I won.